I always knew, even from when I was younger, that I wanted to be in public service. I wanted to be able to help people. As I got older, I really started liking science, learned about DNA, saw how DNA could be applied to helping people that have been victims of crimes, and that's kind of where it started. My supervisor nominated me for Employee of the Year, and I found out that that is what I'm going to be for 2023. It's nice to represent the DNA laboratory for the city. It's definitely a group effort in here. We are a really good team. We work really well together. So I'm excited and honored to really be able to go and represent the DNA lab.
This is where it all begins. So this is the serology side of the lab, and also kind of our office space. This is where we have our evidence. We are itemizing it, look for biological stains, and take any cuttings, and then making decisions about what it is that we are going to perform DNA analysis on. This right here is our larger processing room. This is where we would go if we have large items of evidence. If we have clothing or bedding, then we can come here. We also have a crime scope to help do that kind of search and look for those stains. This is the extraction room. We take cuttings from blood swabs or stains that were collected from a crime scene, and we're going to do DNA analysis on them. Then we start here, and what we're trying to do is take that sample, that blood cutting, try to remove all of the cells from it and break those cells open, release the DNA. So this is an extraction robot. So when we first started, we had to do everything manually, but now this robot does a lot of it for us. Once we break open those cells and release that DNA, we want that DNA to be as clean as possible, because that could keep us from getting a profile. So after we extract, then we would come in here and use this liquid handling robot. It's taking each one of those individual samples and putting them in the wells on that teeny tiny plate. You're just trying to see, do we have DNA and do we have enough to get a profile? So when we take something through the DNA process, this is what we are hoping to obtain, which is a genetic profile. That is us, and that is DNA. All of us are committed to helping make our community safer. What I want people to know is they have a DNA lab that they can be proud of.